Your Excellency, our great leader, the man in whom we are very, very proud. His Excellency, the Governor of Edo State, His Excellency, Adams Oshomole, distinguished Senator and former Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable, the Speaker, the only Speaker we know in Rivers State. Your Excellency, in my position as the chairman of the Elders Forum, I would have taken a bow and to go and sit down. But I don't want to make a speech. Just to say one or two things. Your Excellency, you're a man whose life is defined by courage in difficult political situations. As Governor of Rivers State, you elevated Rivers State in the Committee of States in this country. As the Minister of Federal Capital Territory, you continue to be the face of Rivers State. And you remain the most formidable Rivers politician in national history. Your Excellency, I'm an Ijaw man, and you are magnanimous enough to give us an Ijaw governor. I have said it more than once, that what's happening in Rivers State is an aberration. And this year, 2025, will bring peace to this state, a peace that passes all understanding. Your Excellency, I would like to make this confession today. I think it was Magnus Abe who hinted on that. Working with you gives spiritual healing. I find that as I get older, I'm getting more and more strong. And when I asked, they said, when you work with Wike, and at his own pace, working with him, the exercise you do is enough to keep you going. Your Excellency, thank you for keeping me going. A lot has been said about you and about what is happening today. Let me, on behalf of all the elders, pledge our continued loyalty and assure you that your vision is our vision. Your mission is our mission. And wherever you go, we'll go with you. Thank you very much, sir.
And you know the Ikwere land spans from Ikwere local governments bordering Imo states, Obiakpo bordering many other states, Emohua and Port Harcourt. Igor Aguma, the Port Harcourt man, is reminding me here. He's also a Port Harcourt boy, just like many of us. Ablaya. So we are happy and proud that you have performed very well in any position of trust that you have held. As I say, Chairman local government, two-time governor of Rivers State, and now the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory. I'm not wearing a hat. I will have joined those who have said, as Mr. President himself said, I doff my hat for you. Your Excellency, do not allow yourself to be distracted. Stay focused as you have always stayed focused. Perform superlatively as you have always performed superlatively. And there is no doubt that the detractors will be put to shame. They will be put to shame. You know, my takeaway from this celebration today, that video that showed one who we considered our leader descending shamelessly into an arena which he should not be in. A leader should always be a leader. An elder should always be an elder. You don't see your children in difficulty and you say, unless they come to see me, you will allow them. They say, was it Chino Achebe who said, an elder cannot be in the house while a she-goat is being delivered tethered to some object. So do not allow yourself to be distracted. We, your brothers and sisters of this great Ikwere nation, are behind you. And we believe that God will also be behind you. And you know, well, it's Mbana Barago, Felix Obua, thank you for that apology. You know, my grandmother came from Ndoni. My wife also came from Ndoni. By the way, she's older than Aaron here. So we thank you, Bana Barago. Thank you. You've done what every honorable man should do. You know, some people, out of some influence or non-influence, there are things I cannot accuse a former leader of being. But he cannot be in any penury. But what influence is it that can impel him to take sides in a situation where his fatherly role is what we expect? Thank you very much. Your Excellencies, I'm not supposed to make a long speech, but I thank you all and all your Excellencies for coming to identify with our son, Nyesom, Wike. Continue to pray for him as we are praying for him. Happy New Year to you all, and may God bless us all. And may God...